Hello, today we are going to be attending Kiava's workouts. Now, you can't just do this with no ordinary clothes. It has to be neon. Okay, so you need to get a Fila shirt. I got their toe shoes too. Okay, you're gonna need some pants and leg warmers. And it just has to be cold for you to do this exercise. And wear man's underwear over your pants. Just for extra comfort, you know. Just for the best of it. Now, we're going to have some music. And we're going to dance.
And I'm putting on the music.
Okay, so the first workout is ladders. Gotta be good on this stuff. 1, 2, grab the ladder. 1, 2, grab the ladder. Shimmy, 1, 2, grab the ladder. 1, 2, grab the ladder. 1, 2. Gotta do the party. 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 One more time. One more party. What? Gotta do party, go and make the party. Ladder, turn the ladder to heaven. Gotta climb the ladder. Don't forget your leg warmers, people.
Glory's watching you.
Oh my god! It's almost gone!
She's crazy.
My new student, Gianna. Soon to be on YouTube. Ladders! 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 Bring those legs up! Bring those legs up! Bend your knees, you idiot! I'm ready. I'm ready to people. Leg up. minute. And ladies that work this one out. Squash some bun buns, squash some bun buns, squash some bun buns, squash some bun buns. Oh yeah. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squash some bun buns, squash them. Squash them. She gave me a
Wedgie.
where my dog? Christy's dog. I'm no chihuahua. I'm no. Ow! Are you ready? Are you ready? We're drawing that thing. Now, do you robot? Now, thank you and subscribe. And
By the way.
if you leave that comment, we'll report you.
By the way,
And that's